In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can make money on paperrolls.com. Literally, all you have to do is make an account, link in the description to sign up today. And look, go to my balance, I got 3 grand. Here, literally took me 2 days. I've literally used, no, it's not 2 days even, 20 minutes to make this money. And you too, as well, you can as well. There is an annoying thing that you have to have 25,000 to receive the money, but right, let's get into the video. So basically, you go to my inbox and you see daily there will be emails here. You can click to get paid, but we'll come back to those. So what you do is first you go to free member PTC. As you can see, I've already done all mine, but you see adverts here. You click on them and you have to wait something like 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then you get paid. You get £100 for every time, $100 or whatever, for every time you click it. And you can do that for around 10 times, so that's 1 grand. And then you go to my inbox and there's emails. I find a little loophole here though, because if you open up this email, or what they like to call it, a click ad, you press this link here to start earning your money. So you close that message, you don't need that. 5212 is the verification code. So you press this blue one here. You click that and it will say thank you for supporting our sponsors. You'll receive 10,000 cents, which is $100, once you have visited the sponsored site for 60 seconds. So you could do anything you else whilst you're waiting, and then you can come back. So, right, so I usually just play some games in this time or watch a YouTube video or something, and basically when this is completed, it'll say you have completed this, and you just wait and you go to my balance. So see, I have $3,050 at the moment. When this finishes, it will change. So right, let's play the waiting game. So paid emails earning, that's my inbox is 2k. Paid click earnings, so that's for clicking adverts, is $550. Sign up bonus, so that's when you log in you get a bonus of $500 as well. And also you can have referrals. So basically, I think you click referral center. There we are, here's the affiliated link. I'll leave this in the description. So you click this and I'll get paid as well. So you can increase the amount of money you can earn. But right, so this is not what normally happens. It says you've been credited and it's completed. But if you don't delete the email, guess what guys, you can do it again. So look, $3,150, and then you literally all you have to do is click here, 7680, and wait another 60 seconds, and it's insane, you get another $100. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. You can earn more than $3,000 a day, and if you press request payment, you can cash out towards PayPal or whatever you want to. When you go into my user info, you choose what account you want your transaction to be taken to. Okay guys, if you've enjoyed this video, I've made 3,150 already. Link in the description, like, subscribe as I said, and peace.